Before we start in the video, if you want to get a service of Flutter, I will put a link of my account at Fiverr in the description box. Hello everyone, today we're trying to fix the D8 or R8 problem. This problem happened when creating a new project. The method is simple, we only need to open the app folder and the page of build Gradle and we write this instruction. Okay, and run. As we say guys, the program works without any problem. We are trying to do a series of repair errors of Flutter and Android Studio and Firebase, so don't forget to subscribe and peace out.